What's up, everybody? Good morning. I got a little vacation time in, much needed for the mental health. And where does your paycheck go? For people that work with me in real life, we did not get paid, but I did. So, over 800 cash payments a year. I deploy the capital on a regular basis. Got money that hits the account every week as well, just automatically. So this is where I deploy my paycheck and additional capital that is over what I put in the charity and over what my budget is. So this is the high dividend account that feeds into the trading account, that feeds into the investing account, that feeds into my bank account. So that's the big picture. If you've been following along, this is in a separate playlist, but we're just looking for swing trade entry. And if that doesn't work, dogs of the Dow strategy. Um, Modified slightly. I don't sell in this account, but we'll be doing a modified version of the wheel as well. This one's close, but it did not hit the 30 there. So just a little quick through here. Didn't get to it over the weekend. Got some life changes coming up, so be patient with me there. I know there's not a lot of people watching, but the people I meet in real life, this is where I send them. And this is a great place to kind of get your footings if you don't know anything about the markets. Um, it's not me telling you what to do. This is exactly what I do, though, as I navigate the markets. MPW, we've got the green here, so it did hit at some point. This will be very close. And you can see big picture. This thing swings, man. But after it hit down here, look at the move. So these are high dividend. These are not recommendation. These are what most people would call risky. But your risk tolerance changes as your account balance grows. And now it almost doesn't matter what I buy. Because I'm increasing my income every single time I buy an income producing asset, and it feeds into the trading and then gets levered in the other accounts. No leverage in this account. Leverage does equal risk. You can lose a lot of money if you don't fully understand it. The problem with it is you will think that you understand it just fine. Very simple concepts until the market crashes. But I've been lucky enough to go through the COVID crash, fastest crash in history, and now I am bulletproof. So nothing hit, just fine. Going here to 10 dogs of the Dow. This is calculated daily. I don't know if it's exactly up to date here, but I want to make sure, number one, that I have all these in the account. I'm not going towards the gold so fast that I just want to focus all on one of these, because for instance, if I bought nothing but Home Depot or Procter Gamble because I'm like, oh, those are the good ones, right? And I'm trying to get 100 shares in order to do the wheel, they could go off the dog list. Well, then I have to start with a totally different um, ticker from zero. So I'm just doing them kind of equal weight. I've got my portfolio sorted for equity value, largest to smallest. Here I'm just going through my portfolio to make sure that I have at least some shares of each of them. And then I'll just go to the bottom of the list and buy the equities that are the lowest equity. So, it's kind of like a leapfrog approach about balance and all that. There's probably not a whole lot of strategy to it. It's probably not optimal. But for me, it's kind of like collecting. So I think that's why the second channel with the cards resonates so much. I collect stocks kind of like people collect baseball cards. Um, I don't think we have any Procter Gamble. And with the Dogs of the Dow strategy, you should go um, research that. This is not the Dogs of the Dow strategy, um, but I'm having fun here, and it's going to allow me to do some of the wheel, which is an option strategy, and uh, basically the ideal is to create income. This whole account is just income. So confirm. Order in and should be filled. Let's see here. My account. Boom, 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 boom. We're in. So we got some Home Depot as well. No, so we're building this out. I mean, eventually I'll have all the Dow stocks, right, that pay a dividend. Because at one point or another, they'll probably hit the list. Maybe not the smaller payers, but 2.63 dividend yield leaves it pretty well wide open for even the small dividend payers, right? So just got richer, just increased my income. I just got 4 more cash payments per year, and my paycheck has now created more paychecks. So as you do that every day, every minute, every week, every month, every paycheck, every bi-weekly paycheck, every tax return, eventually all of your earned income just goes into investing, and it's your investment income, which we're getting close to the end of the month. I will be traveling, by the way, so statements will be whenever I get back. But your investment income is your fund money. And yeah, so a lot of changes coming up for me personally in my personal life. And I'm excited that the market didn't totally fall out with the crazy news going on. But beware of your emotions during these turbulent times. Have a plan written down that you can show to somebody, even if they don't know the stock market and it makes sense, and stick to it. A perfect plan is nothing without perfect discipline. I hope this is helpful to you. Remember, I am not your licensed financial advisor. This is just what I'm doing in one of 3 accounts. Well, I got public accounts too. We got tons of accounts, but one of the 3 main accounts, my whole check goes into this thing and all these dividends and everything like that. And remember, half of these dividends and cash flow payments and distributions and options premiums and everything that comes out of this account goes right back into buying more of the things that create the income. So we're compounding wealth in real time. That's exciting for me. I hope it's exciting for you. Remember, you must make your own financial decisions, but just to show you it's possible, man. Average people are doing it. It's not very common. Not a lot of people do it, and very few people are consistent at it. But you can see as you go through the videos for the last 3 years, we don't miss a day, period. That's it. This is what I do. This is my life. I love it. I enjoy it. I'm good at it. And it has totally changed my life. I hope it can help you. If it does, let me know down below. Thank you for watching. Leave me a like on the way out. Make sure you're subscribed and share this with your friends. If we hit this all-time high, it will be all over the news about Trump and the stock market. So prepare. Mentally prepare. Thanks for watching. We'll see you after close.